5 ways to solve inauthentic issues on your page. Are you a creator on Facebook only to wake up and discover that all your videos are showing issues like this? Or all your videos are not earning, as like all of them are showing zero earning? Or even your page, you can see page issues. Your page is showing page issues. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 ways to actually solve this issue by yourself. And the 5th one, I'm going to be sharing with you the practical factors or the practical steps that you would take, and this will be solved automatically. Now, let's talk about what is inauthentic. Why are creators being flagged of what? Inauthentic. Now, inauthentic is a process whereby a creator posts or re-upload contents that are not original, contents that are misleading, content that are not real. Now, for example, as a creator, you need to understand that it is not only AI content that are inauthentic. Even human content can be inauthentic, which I'm going to be explaining in this video. First of all, let me share with you 5 ways to know content that are inauthentic. 5 ways to know contents that are inauthentic. Number 1, any content that a creator re-uploaded that is not from him or her is inauthentic, is considered not original, meaning that creator uploaded another person's content. Number 2, when a creator upload content that is 100% generated by AI without any human effort, as like you didn't use your phone to camera it or to record it, it is also considered inauthentic. Now, and number 3, if you always gather clips, like all those you see those people that are doing all those funny memes, you gather clips of different creators and you upload it, it is also considered inauthentic. Are you following? Now, another way to know if a content is inauthentic is using a clickbait or a thumbnails that mismatch. Number 4, a thumbnail or clickbait, a thumbnail that mismatch a particular video, that is also considered inauthentic. It is also inauthentic when a creator use a misleading title. For example, the video is how to open Facebook page, but you title how to earn money. So it's a different thing entirely. So these are 5 ways you can know if a content is inauthentic or when a content can be considered inauthentic. Now, let us now talk about 5 ways to solve this issue by yourself on your page. And the 5th one is one of the best steps you can take to solve this issue by yourself. Now, number 1 is to go to your page, check the previous video you just uploaded, watch it 3 times and understand that video. For example, is that video your video? Number 2, what does that video contains? What are the informations in that video? Is that video misleading? Is that video another person's video, which you already know is not even your video? You already know. So bring down the video, okay? Number 2, how to solve inauthentic issues or content on your page is to make sure that all your videos that you have posted, none of them is carrying different title or different thumbnails. So meaning you now, all these options now, we are accessing your page. Access the page, check and be sure that yes, everything is in line. The thumbnails follow the guidelines. The title is also in line with the video. Number 3, you have to make sure that those videos, they are not AI generated content. Now, one thing you need to know, there are ways you can use AI to generate a video and it will be acceptable by both Facebook and even YouTube. The formula is called 50, 30, 20. Let only the percent of 20 be AI, meaning maybe you use AI to generate maybe your thumbnails, but let the recording and the editing be the 30%, while the idea be your 50%. Meaning this is human effort in conjunction with what? With AI. This will help you a lot. Number 4, avoid repetitive or duplicate upload. Many creators make these mistakes. Go to your page right now. Check if you have uploaded any video twice. If you have what? Uploaded any video twice. I understand you post a video last month, only for you to come this month and then discover that you don't have videos, you now re-upload that video you posted last month again, it means you have just, that video is now duplicate on your page. Some of you even spam it. You will post picture from it, you will post short videos from it, you will post long video from it. Go ahead and check. If it is like that, then go ahead and bring down those videos. Okay, all those duplicates, bring it down. And our number 5, let me share my screen with you and then show you how to effectively or practically solve this problem by reaching out or reporting this problem to Facebook. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to come to your professional dashboard like this. Do you see this is your professional dashboard? For example, this account is okay, but it is not earning, and I'm going to show you. For example, when you come to your account, you can see this one is showing green, no problem. Go ahead, you're going to see where they wrote content. Look at content at your top, at your top hand side. So when you click on this content, it's going to take you to where all your contents are located. Now, click on this place that says views. So then look at earning. Click on earnings. So when you click on earnings, if you take a close look at those videos, none of them is earning. All this video, you can see everything is 0, 0. All the videos here are 0, even despite that the account have not been flagged yet. The flagging is not even showing. The inauthentic is not showing. You can see everything is what is 0. So what we are going to do is, you see this place now. You're going to shake your phone like this very hard. So when you shake it like this very hard, you're going to see report a problem. So click on that report a problem and allow it to load. You can see Facebook then creating reports. So now in this place, click on don't include, then go ahead. Now you can see that place will shake our phone. It has, the screenshot of that place have been taken. And down, that place that says upload from phone. If you have any other proof, go ahead and upload it so that Facebook will see the problem. Now, look at that place that says describe your issue. You click on that place and type the issue. For example, I say, good day, Facebook Meta team. Please kindly review my monetization status and help fix the issue. Thank you. If you have your page link, I will also advise you add your page link. Or there are any other thing you want to add. For example, maybe you want to let them know that this and this, you want to tell them that this is how long it has been happening, indicates. Then click on the send button at your top right hand side. Then you will see it that you can see they say thanks, your feedback helps improve Facebook. So this number 5, if you take these steps, you are, in short, within 24 hours, within to 7 days, you are likely to get a response from Facebook, and they will tell you what to do next, and your account will come back and you begin to earn again. Remember, avoid repetitive upload, meaning duplicate upload from now on. Again, stop letting AI be the 100%. Stop generating your videos 100%. How would I put it? Let it be 50, 30, 20. Again, avoid posting content that are misleading, not original, or you did not verify the information before posting it. Avoid all those issues. Again, make sure, your thumbnails it is very important. Make sure that your thumbnails is in line with the video. Make sure that the title is in line with the video. Avoid clickbait. Clickbait is when a creator posts videos with a different title or a different thumbnails just because he or she wants to gain views or massive views. So all those issues can land you in inauthentic. All right, so now, in case this is the first time you're seeing my YouTube videos, I actually create videos on YouTube tips, Facebook tips, and editing tips, which means if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and you're going to be benefiting a lot on my YouTube channel. All right, thank you.